everyone, today we're going to be talking about a rover. So today we're going to be learning about something very exciting, which is rovers on Mars. So what is a rover? So we know a rover is a robot with wheels that scientists send to the planet Mars. It's like a smart car that drives itself on another planet. Okay, so why do we send rovers to Mars? So firstly, we know that Mars is far away. It's not 10 hours away, 6 hours away. It's very far away. So instead of sending humans to Mars, we decided to send a rover. A rover is used to help humans to explore Mars instead of sending a human, which takes a very long time to land on Mars. Okay, so the third thing about rovers is what can a rover do on Mars? So a rover can collect photos of the land, it can collect rocks, it can collect dust and test the soil and the air. So it can also look for signs of water and past life, and all the information that a rover collects is sent back to Earth. These rovers are very important because it helps scientists understand what Mars is really like, and they help us learn if humans might live there one day. So this is what a rover can do on Mars. Did you know that some famous rovers are Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, Perseverance? Each one has something new about Mars. So the important thing to remember about a rover, we need to know that a rover is a robot. A rover is a robot that helps scientists or explorers to explore Mars from millions miles away. So now the second part about a rover is about the features and the materials of a rover. So the next person that is going to explain is my partner. Thank you for listening.
Hi everyone, I am Bibilo. So I will be explaining the materials we use for our rover and the features of our rover. Like my partner said, we have built this rover for low resource schools using recyclable materials. So we used cardboards, we used sticks, we used bottle caps and lollipop sticks or ice cream sticks. So this is the front of our rover. Back of our rover, we have used the cardboards for the body of our rover and for the cameras and for our satellite. And then we used sticks to hold the bottle caps, which are our wheels. These are cameras and this is our satellite. So these materials made a complete Mars rover. Now my partner will be explaining how this rover will be used to teach the systems of moving in the Mars or moon. My partner will be explaining how to teach the topic systems to explore Mars and the moon, but she'll be focusing on the Mars using our model, the Mars rover.
Hi everybody, sorry that I sound like this. I'm a bit blocked and congested, but as my partner said before, I'm going to discuss how we're going to use this tool to teach systems beyond Mars, or is it Mars and beyond? Systems to explore Mars and beyond, right? So this little model in a low resource school can help the learners imagine what the pictures their textbooks show essentially looks like in real life. having them see this model and possibly create their own in groups helps them make this topic more relatable and helps it easier for them to understand what it is they are learning. So for example, if we say, guys, class, today we are going to explore Mars. In a low resource school, they don't always have electricity, so as great as it would be to show them a video of Mars, in this situation we don't have that. So maybe we could collect some rocks outside and say this rock fell from the planet Mars. Collect some, what else can you possibly collect? Sand that is red or that is clay-like, and we say that this sand comes from Mars, just so that they can have an understanding or understand what it is, can comprehend what it is they are learning, because some learners do not have the access to the internet, they do not have the access to imagine these things in their minds. So yeah, this little model kind of opens their eyes in that way and helps them understand the topic better. Thank you, bye.